The Xjr575 is the latest, and possibly the last, testosterone injection for the 8-year-old XJ, sharing its supercharged 5.0-liter V8 with the F-type SVR. The Xjr575 gets a 25 horse bump over the Xjr it replaces, while torque rises 14 pounds-ft to 516. Jaguar claims that the Xjr575 will run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, but we've seen the 550 horsepower Xjr make the run in as little as 3.8 seconds and expect the 575 to knock a tenth off that time. What's even more impressive is how swift this car is on a back road. Even though its exterior dimensions are par for the segment, the XJ's cabin feels far narrower than those of the Audi A8, BMW 7 Series, and Mercedes-Benz S-class. That sense of compactness helps punctuate the feeling of smallness and lightness the driver experiences behind the wheel. Mostly, though, that sensation comes from the XJ's aluminum-intensive chassis. At about 4,350 pounds, the long-wheelbase Xjr575, the only version of the Xjr575 that's coming to the United States, weighs roughly 750 pounds less than BMW's 600 horsepower M760i and 700 pounds less than a Mercedes-AMG S63, though both of those models are burdened with the extra weight of all-wheel drive. Still, the Xjr575 is no luxury barge. Nimble and lithe, the Xjr's athleticism stands out in contrast with the bank vault on wheels character that's common in this class of near limos. There's less float and isolation than you'll find in most competitors, with well-connected steering, firm but not uncomfortable damping, and tight roll control. And while rear seat legroom is prodigious, the Xjr575 feels like a car designed around the driver rather than the back seat.